Hey guys, what's happening? If you want to change leverage on Kraken Pro, here's what you're gonna do. So you can select the coin that you want, let's say BTC, and you don't want 5x leverage, right? So you're gonna scroll a little bit down, find right here 4x, BTC USDC, BTC CAD or Canadian dollar, Solana, Bitcoin, and you can see 3 as a leverage, or 3x, excuse me, Doge Bitcoin 3x, LTC Bitcoin 3x, and more. So if you want to trade Bitcoin but with less leverage, or you want to change the leverage, all you gotta do is just search for the coin, right, and see next to the coin the amount or the leverage amount, right? So you're gonna see right here next to the BTC USD 5x, right? And if you want less than that, you can just select a different coin alongside Bitcoin, and then you're gonna see it's under 5x, like 4x, 3x, and etc. So basically that's how you change leverage on Kraken Pro. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.